This is my latest find today. Picked this one up at a thrift store for about 14 bucks. It's a Smith Corona Galaxie II. It was really in good condition. Looks like it's a brand new ribbon, so whoever gave it away took really good care of this thing, because even the inside is really clean. Almost looks like they were gonna sell it or something. This obviously came from a collector, because usually when you find these typewriters in the thrift store, they're pretty beat up and mangled. It looks exactly similar to one I found a year ago, or almost exact. Got this one at another thrift store. This one's a Smith Corona Classic 12. I think I showed this in one of my other videos. The difference between these is, I think this one I found today is newer, and the keys, the action on the keys are a lot better. They don't show as much wear and tear either. This thing was really cared for. The keys on this one are slightly yellow. I don't know if you can tell from the video. But I use this one to write primarily for the past year or so. So far I wrote about 90,000 words, 100,000 words. And the ribbon's finally starting to give out on this one. So it's probably time to replace the ribbon. Good for about 200 pages, I guess, or 150 pages. If you look down there, there's this little design that says jeweled escapement, and that one's a little dull. But on this one here, you can actually see it shining, which is a cool little detail. It's like a ruby in there. Anyway, this is my latest find, my latest typewriter. Add it to the collection. I'll probably start using this one as my primary writing device, and this one I'll retire to the closet in its case back there. I'll start using this one for now.